America, Dr. Badr Zahir.
Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Salat ala Rasulullah. I'm a student of our Sheikh, everybody knows that. In our holy book Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says always, Ya Ahlul Kitab, people of book. You know, that's so much big honor, big respect I have seen. And whenever I go to him, I say that, you know, Allah also honor everybody from Ahlul Kitab, which are Christian, Jews, you know, Protestants, all. So with this, I want to just introduce myself. I'm an emergency room physician. I work for ICNA Family Services. The few things which touched me, even though I work in emergency room, I see patients and I see trauma, how the impact of domestic violence affects us as a provider. One night, I got a call from a principal of a school. And I was talking about a woman, Sister Nahid is here. She's the one who works very politely, without name, not even talking. If you can please get up. She's the lady who has been taking the call for ICNA Family Services. She doesn't talk, she doesn't speak, but she works. She is the hotline crisis for ICNA Family Services. I'm the second person responder, like a second person in line to call. She calls me, whether the call belongs to me, or if there is any religious question, it goes to our sheikh. So one family came, the woman was referred to me for some counseling, even though I'm not a clinical psychologist or something, but you know, when you have an intention of helping some other human being, Allah, God helps you because He gives you that moment, that your courage to listen properly. Just have this in your mind, that the intention that you want to help. So Allah gave me some help to understand the situation. The woman came like 3 times to my office, and I spoke to her that she wanted me to talk to her lawyer for divorce. Then I say I refuse to call because our objective mission is to unite you, not to divorce you, not to separate you. This is our intention, this is our goal. I refuse to talk to the lawyer. 3rd day I called myself to the principal of the school. I told him, do you want your wife to go from place to place and ask for a job? With this answer, what I heard from the other, he said, no doctor, I'm glad that you guys are doing this service. He said, no, by God, I want her to come back. She doesn't need to go place to asking for a job. I miss her, my children miss her. This touched my heart. I broke. I said, she went back, and I got a call from her saying that she's very happy with family and with her children. From that day onwards, I am taking like a first responder. As soon as Sister Nahid gets the call, she screens. Whether there is a family crisis, somebody has any psychological issues, verbal abuse, any kind of abuse, it comes to me, and then I properly take the calls, whether there is any legal points involved or something. We have an attorney who takes care of that problem, because if there is violence or physical abuse, we don't interfere in those law enforcement matters. So the second case was like